Adding labor operations. MaxxTraxx comes preloaded with several labor operations to use on repair orders. Most shops find that they will have to add specific labor operations to their library, especially if it is a labor that is done frequently. This video will show you how to add a labor operation to your library, delete operations you do not use, and recover the deleted operations if needed. You can add, edit, or delete labor operations from the Manager dropdown, but for this video we will add the operation from a repair order. The process is the same and we will review the Manager dropdown later in the video. First, open the repair order you want to add a labor operation to. In this example, we will search for and add a labor for replacing an air conditioning condenser. Right-click on the Reason for Service line, click on Add, and then Labor from Service List. This opens up the labor search window. You can type the description in the progressive search box to look for the operation. When no results come up for that labor, click the Add Labor Service button. The next window that opens asks what type of labor is being created, either flat rate or menu priced. Menu priced labor is used for jobs that are not directly associated with a number of hours and a labor rate for that number of hours. This would typically be used for jobs such as oil changes or alignments that are a fixed price. For this video, we will add a flat rate labor. Click Next to continue. Here is where we describe the new labor operation. For the labor code, use something simple that will be easily searched for. For example, make anything related to brakes start with the letters BRAKE, or electrical labor operations start with ELEC. In this case, we will use ACCOND for the condenser labor because it is in the AC category. You can use up to 18 characters for the labor code. For the short description, type in a brief summary of the operation. You have up to 25 characters to use. This is what appears on your computer screen for the repair order labor description. The system will automatically populate the printed description box with what you type here. The printed description box is what will appear on your customer's invoice copy. You can edit this description to add more details and bring more value to the service. You have plenty of room to type as much as needed. When finished, click the Next button. The next window is where billed and flat rate hours are entered. Billed hours are what you will charge the customer. Flat rate hours are what your technician will be incentivized on. Since you will probably be using this labor operation again, be cautious of the billed and flat rate hours. There could be a wide variance in billed hours for different vehicles. Even though the field is editable on the repair order, it is something that could easily be overlooked. You can leave the hours at 0, put an average number of hours for the job, or another value you are comfortable with. The important thing to remember is that the number of hours can be changed on the fly. If you are in a state that taxes labor, be sure to check the Make Taxable box. Click Next. This brings us to the labor rates window that displays your shop rates. You can leave the default rates in place or uncheck the Use Shop Rates box to add custom labor rates to this job. Click Finished when you review the window. The labor operation you just added will be highlighted in the list. Just click Select to add it to the repair order. At this point, the Labor Service Detail window opens. From this window, you can edit the printed labor description, select the technician, apply a discount, and change the hours billed to the customer. Note that if you have the flat and billed hours linked, it will also change the flat rate hours for the technician. Once everything looks correct, click the OK button. You can see that the new labor operation has been added to the repair order. If there are labor operations in your list that you will never use, they can be easily deleted. Go to the Manager dropdown and click on the Labor Service List box. Find the labor operation that you want to delete, right-click the line, then click Delete. You can also highlight the operation, then click the Delete button. Answer Yes to the warning notice. Please note that you cannot delete a labor operation that is being used on an open repair order. If you want to bring back a deleted labor operation, simply check the Show Deleted Labors box. Find the labor operation, right-click on it, and then click the Undelete Labor line. This will put the operation back on the labor list. As you can see, you can also add a new labor service from the Labor Service window. Just click on the Add Labor Service button. The process is the same as adding through a repair order. We hope you found the preceding video helpful. MaxxTraxx team members are readily available to provide personal assistance via several methods as shown here, Monday through Friday, 5 a.m. to 5 p.m. Pacific Time. Thank you for watching.